So welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's out in the loft. It's electrics time, yes. But first, before I do anything, I've got to clean up this place. I can't move. I can hardly think. It's just such a mess everywhere you look. There's yeah, muck. I'm going to clean up the shelves, put some things away, take all the rolling stock and put it back on the shelf. So I've got the whole layout. I'm going to do some rail cleaning with the two wrens are sitting under the bridge there. You can just see the nose of that one. That's got the triangle rail cleaner on it, so I'll get that out, but clean up first. Look at it. Just look at the mess. Let's get let's get it all organised. And right, that's got point A running. Here comes point B. I've been waiting for such a long time to do this. So see if I can do it with the in camera. Ooh. That's good. I made this most of this layout during lockdown. We've got 3 core household flex now going to my well, this is speaker wire I'm using for my point control, so I'm just going to put a bit of heat shrink on that. Will this lighter go? No. Never mind, I'll have to do it with the soldering iron then. It will do it. It's just not as nice. An open flame does it so much better. An iron will do it, but not as nice. There we go, that's insulated them from each other. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to join this earth now to my bus earth. It goes all the way around the entire layout. It's the black wire there. So I'll just strip a bit of that off and join that to it. That doesn't need insulation. I'll do that next. This is our bus return wire, our earth, our return earth. Come on. There we go. And another thing is, oh, that's cool. Another thing is, don't use this. This is this is lead-free solder. Try not to use it. It's terrible. It's rubbish. I always go for lead solder. You can still buy it here and there, and you get a much better, stronger joint with lead. So that one's going to go back in the conduit. That's okay. That's cool. Right. Now point B should work. While working on the layout, I have to be very, very careful with the soldering iron. So all I do is, as there's no scenery, I just put a couple of screws in at angles like that, and yeah, there's your drop-in holder for the iron. So I'm going to take this apart now. I've finished here, and I'm going to set up somewhere else. But yeah, so much damage could be done if that tips over onto the rails while you're not watching. Then you've mullered a bit of rail. So that's my holder. I've got one on a block of wood somewhere, but yeah, that's good enough for me. And this is my tip cleaner. It's a pot of water with an old flannel in there, and it's the best way to clean your iron. It hisses and steams a bit, but yeah, a good way to clean your iron. Oh, get on that. Right, we're off somewhere else now. Right, let's try point B, see if that works. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Sounds good. So that's all the points that I've got at the moment, working totally on this bottom section, so I can move away from here now. Another problem I've got in this wiring campaign is that I've got a few second-hand electrofrog points, and I need to sit with a beer and take my time to work out what wires I'm going to cut, because if I use these I end up with a straight short if I throw the points that way against the main line. I end up with a straight short, so I think I'm going to cut these two here. So I've got to cut either these or unjumble these. I might be cutting them all because I'm using this in conjunction with the double pole, double throw latching relay. I will work it out. Yeah, that's something to think about while I'm having a beer tonight with a meter, with the old test meter. I will work it out. Well, this is the collection of the oil train, the milk train, the triang train. Yeah, this is what was just taken off the rails, so all the rails are clear, all the main lines are clear for some rail cleaning, so I'm going to do that. Well, it's smelling very Christmassy up here, I must say. That's because the two wrens have got the troll triang cleaning cloth with the felt on, which I think I was sent by Clive. Oh, sorry if I've got that wrong, but it's full of methylated spirits and smells very nice. And I've got the two 060s pulling my homemade scratching block. Look, that's a track rubber under there, so I'm going to send them off and I'm going to polish all the rails. It hasn't been done for, well, since before I went away to Spain, so let's set the road for them. Right, that's 5, good, and 12. Alright, let's send them on their way then. Right, go and do your stuff, my lovelies, off you go. These are there on line 2. That's it, that's the way. And they're on line 4, so off you go. These two are working bang roads, but that's only because we're on a cleaning campaign. I'm not sure how effective my homemade rail cleaner is, but you can see how much muck she gets on the bottom. Here they come again. That's their third pass. We'll give them one more and swap rails. Well, I'm getting really stuck in now. You can see how I've been using this section of the railway with dog clips being clipped on here and wires just being poked in just to make this circuit. Look. So I've disabled that now. And yes, I've got to get in the service hatch, so let's open that up. Come on, up we go. Try again. Yeah, I've got to go in there. Oh my word, look at the wires down there. Oh, lovely. Good. Right, service hatch, we need something to keep that open. It appears I've done more than I remember, because point 16, 17 right up to 30 it was working. I've got to start from 31, I think. I've got dropper wires everywhere that I didn't realise I'd already put in. Look, so I'm going to be using all these, and I'm going to be putting my bus bars, my joining bus bars inside the platform, not underneath, so lots to do. can you imagine coming in over the viaduct instead of going through this part of the station? Come off there along this line and go back down there. Oh, I can't wait to get this going. Well, I think I'm going to put this video up because I'm going to be here for hours working this lot out, literally hours. And as these two lines are going to be under the town, they're just going to be storage loops. I've got to put a isolated track in here, so when I bring the train in, it automatically stops there, and I can isolate it by throwing the points against her and then take something out of the station. So I should be able to come in off the top line there, through the station, and go down. It's going to be brilliant. I can't wait. I've got a heck of a headache trying to get this to get working. Not a real headache, just a mind bender. So I'm going to take my rail downstairs for tonight. I'm going to take the test meter downstairs for tonight. There's them two. I'm going to work this out. So well, I think what I'm going to do is shut down for now, get some wiring done, and see you soon, hopefully before Christmas. Yeah. There we go then, that's what it is. Right, Alan out.